carbon fiber fabric is incredibly strong and lightweight material that be used in a wide range of industries from aerospace, automotive, to sports equipment and consumer goods. However, cutting carbon fiber fabric accurately and efficiently can be challenging, especially when dealing with complex shapes and designs. What are the disadvantages of manual carbon fiber cutting? Manual carbon fiber fabric cutting is often slow, inaccurate, and labor-intensive. It can also be difficult to achieve consistent results, especially when cutting large quantities of fabric. Additionally, manual cutting can be dangerous as carbon fiber fabric can be sharp and splinter easily. You may have questions that why I use a digital cutting machine for the carbon fiber fabric cutting. First one, precision. Digital cutting machine can cut it with extreme precision even on the complex shapes and designs. This helps to reduce the waste and improve the product quality. Number two, efficiency. Digital cutting machine is much faster than the manual cutting way, which can be significantly increase productivity around over 10 times. Number three, safety. Digital cutting machine eliminate the need for manual handling of fabric, which can help to reduce the risk of injuries. And number four, cost saving. Digital cutting machine comes with a software with function nesting. With this function, it can cut the patterns efficiently, save business a significant amount of money on material costs. You know, the carbon fiber fabric is expensive. If you're looking for a precise, efficient, and safe way to cut carbon fiber fabric, then a digital cutting machine is a perfect solution for you. To learn more about the digital cutting machine and how they can benefit your business, please contact us. If you find this video is helpful, and please thumb up and subscribe us for the following more videos about digital cutting machine. Thank you.